I've spent 17 years in this industry and worked as a nuclear power electrician, so I know a bit about how technical specs translate to actual performance in your backyard. Today we're doing a head-to-head on two solid mid-tier options for homeowners looking for efficiency without the luxury price tag. We are lining up the RunTru A5AC5 against the Sure Comfort SA14AY. Both of these are ducted split air conditioners, and while they might look similar on a spec sheet, the details tell a different story for your long-term bottom line. Starting with the build, there's a distinct difference in how these units protect their most vulnerable part, the condenser coil. The RunTru A5AC5 features a cabinet with slotted panels. In the field, slotted panels are a step up from a basic wire grill because they offer more surface area to deflect debris, but they are not quite as robust as a true heavy-duty louver. On the other side, the Sure Comfort SA14A uses a wire grill. As a guy who has seen too many coils flattened by stray hail or a rogue lawnmower, I have to tell you that a wire grill is the bare minimum for protection. When it comes to where they're made, the RunTru is assembled right here in Tyler, Texas, while the Sure Comfort is manufactured in Mexico. On the technical side, there is a clear separation in efficiency. The RunTru A5AC5 is rated at 16.0 SEER 2, whereas the Sure Comfort SA14AI sits at 14.3 SEER 2. Under the hood, both models utilize a single-stage scroll compressor. From an electrical perspective, because these are single-stage units, you are going to see a significant inrush current every time the system kicks on. Since they do not have the soft start capabilities of higher-end variable speed tech, your contactors and capacitors are doing the heavy lifting. Sound-wise, they are very comparable with the RunTru operating at 73 dB and the Sure Comfort coming in slightly quieter at 70 dB. When we talk price, the RunTru carries a bit of a premium. For the equipment alone, a RunTru A5AC5 typically runs between $1,800 and $2,400. The Sure Comfort SA14A usually lands between $1,400 and $1,700 for the condenser. Once you factor in professional installation labor and permits, a RunTru system will likely land between $6,000 and $9,000, while the Sure Comfort usually falls into the $5,000 to $7,500 range. You are essentially paying more upfront for the RunTru to get higher efficiency and domestic assembly. Before I give you the verdict, remember that a high-efficiency unit is only as good as its maintenance. You've got to keep those coils clear of grass clippings and cottonwood. If the air cannot move, the head pressure spikes, and you will be calling me to replace a compressor that died way too young. In the warranty battle, it is a draw on the basics. Both brands offer a 10-year limited warranty on the compressor and functional parts if you register the unit within 60 days. Neither of these models includes a unit replacement warranty. So if that compressor fails in year 8, the manufacturer gives you the part, but you are still paying for the labor and the expensive refrigerant. The verdict, the RunTru A5AC5 is the winner. While the Sure Comfort is a decent budget pick, the RunTru gives you a significantly higher 16.0 SEER 2 efficiency and better coil protection with its slotted panels. For a homeowner's bottom line, the energy savings over the next decade will more than make up for the higher initial cost, and the tougher cabinet means you are less likely to suffer expensive coil damage. Shop like a pro and make sure you are looking at the actual build quality, not just the logo on the box. Use the head-to-head tool on hvacforbeginners.com to see how these stack up against the rest of the 2026 lineup.